able to get that to fall. Here's Aljon Melesio.
3 seconds.
Finding Sanggalang, and they get the finish at the end.
Victory at last! Sinigurado ng Terra Firma Jeep na hindi magtatapos ang PBA Season 49 Commissioner's Cup nang wala silang naiuuwing panalo. Mula sa 3-point advantage sa unang quarter, 28-25, nakuha na ng Terra Firma ang kanilang momentum, finishing at 61-50 come halftime. Lumaki ang kanilang lamang sa ikatlong quarter, 95-69, matapos ang back-to-back trace ni Mark Nonoy at Luis Sanggalang. Unstoppable na ang Terra Firma hanggang ika-4 sa kabila ng efforts ng TNT na paliitin ng lamang. Ang final score, 117-108. It was a Mark Nonoy eruption matapos niyang magtala ng career-best 33 points, 4 rebounds, 4 assists and a steal.
First, sobrang thankful ako sa coaches and then sa teammates ko. Umaga, ups and down yung team namin. Yung iba, nawawala na ng gana. Pero, kumbaga, may leader sa amin na last push na to yung last game namin. So, sobrang thankful ako kasi bago mag-end yung season, nakuha namin yung first win namin.
Sa tapatan naman ng Ginebra at Rainier Shine. Pasok na ang Jenkins sa playoffs matapos ang 28-point blowout ng Rainier Shine, 120-92. Already leading by 21 points in the halftime, hindi na nagpatinag pa ang Ginebra with a gap as big as 32 later in the second half. Scotty Thompson came in hot and finished with 22 points, 8 assists and 6 rebounds. Pinuri naman ni head coach Tim Cone ang naging performance ng kanyang koponan. Anya, ito ang kanilang best game of the conference.
We played well defensively. We executed really well offensively, and we shot the ball well. And it couldn't come at a better time right now when we're struggling to get into that top 6 position and getting ready for the playoffs. So.
Sunod na maghaharap ang Phoenix Fuel Masters laban sa TNT Tropang Giga at San Miguel Beermen kontra Converge Fiber Rexers this Friday at the Inares Center, Antipolo. Catch the games live on RPTV, PBA Russian Signal, or via the Pilipinas Live app. Mobile Journal Denise Valdesancho po, hatid ang mukha ng balita.